Guys, you do not want to miss this. Make sure that you sign up and come to AMP's Owner Summit next year, 2024.
I have learned so much.
Hope to see you guys next year, 2024 AMP User Summit. I'll be there. Will you?
I've definitely taken a lot from my first weekend ever being here.
It's a great opportunity to continue networking and learning.
Come back to Summit. Can't wait to see everybody at Summit next year. It is the best place to come and be around like-minded providers. It's amazing.